In this video, we want to convert r equals 3 cosine theta to Cartesian coordinates and identify the curve. We'll first start off with the key polar to Cartesian identities. We have x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, and r squared equals x squared plus y squared. If we were to solve for for cosine on the top equation, we would get cosine theta is equal to x over r, where r is not equal to 0. So we're going to use this to apply it to this original equation. So note that I don't have a formula just for r. I could get r by taking the square root of both sides. And I have a formula for cosine, but the other formula for cosine is r cosine theta. So the trick is, can I make this into a square and this into an r? And the answer is yes. I can multiply both sides by r to make r squared equals 3r times cosine theta. And now I can make a substitution. So r squared, that's just x squared plus y squared. And then 3r cosine theta, well, r cosine theta is x, so that's just 3x. So we have x squared plus y squared is equal to 3x. Now we can rearrange and complete the square because we want to identify the curve. We could be done at that point, but in order to identify the curve, it's good to complete the square and see what it looks like. So at this point, we're going to move everything to the left. So it's going to be x squared minus 3x plus y squared equals 0. And we're going to complete the square. So in order to complete the square, we have we're going to take negative 3. So remember, you have to add b over 2 quantity squared. B here is negative 3. So you do negative 3 divided by 2 and then square it to get 9 over 4. So we're going to add 9 over 4 to both sides. And then we can factor this out. So x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 4 factors into x minus 3 over 2 quantity squared plus y squared equals 3 over 2 squared. And so this will be the final answer. Which clearly this is a circle, because remember the circle, the standard form is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared equals r squared. The center is at 3/2 comma 0, so that's these guys right here. And then the radius is 3/2.